Hello students. In today's video of patterns in Python, let's try to display the alphabets in particular order as per your requirement. It's my name, Sukhveer. I am displaying S in the first row, SU in the second row, and similarly onwards. In the previous videos, we have displayed only the numbers. There are almost 10 videos before this video. It's the 11th video of patterns inside Python. Suppose I have to display these string values. Then what to do? We have to declare one string with any name, then length of the string, so that we can control in for loop for I in range 0 to n, then for j in range 0 to I plus 1, then print a, j, then end double quote. It's to print the data in the same line, then print let us execute the program. You can display the data. Basically what I am doing, for I in range from 0 to n. What is the meaning of n here? N is the count of alphabets. Basically this number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the value ranges from 0 to n, what is the meaning of this? Basically it's 0 to 7. And what is the meaning of 0 to 7? The bracketed value is 0 to 7 in this case. It means the value varies from 0 to 6. Basically, the meaning is 0 to 6 because second value is not included. If I place first value as 0, it means 0 to 0. What is the meaning of this? It means nothing will print out. If I write 0 to 1, it means the value is 0 to 0. And if the second value is 1, it means I have to write 2 here. It means 0 to 2. It means it will execute from 0 to 1. That's why these values are there inside the printing. Suppose I write here 2. Then I can display the value with a jumping factor of 2. First 1 value, then 3 values, then 5, then 7. As per your choice, you can display the values. In the upcoming videos, I will discuss more about string display inside pattern. Suppose we write star star 786 star star. You can display the value accordingly. Suppose I write any number 34126. You can display accordingly 34126. 4, 5, 6. You can display accordingly. Basically, the control depends upon this value. It varies as per I increase the value. Suppose I write in small alphabets, it will display small alphabets. If I am writing capital alphabets, as complete name, then it will display accordingly. Basically, the control lies here. It depends upon the length. If I control according to the number, then it will display only this value. But I am controlling the program according to the length of the string. It means if I extend the length, it will execute according to that way. Hope you understand the content of displaying the string in particular pattern.